Hello and welcome to Knit the Chart. In this video, we'll create a new project, add a chart, and get it ready to knit from. Tap the pink plus button to create a new project. You can add a PDF file or a photo of a pattern. In this example, we'll choose a PDF. After selecting the PDF, all the pages of the pattern are shown. From here, you can view the pattern using Read as PDF or select one chart to create a project. Select the page with the chart you want to use. The app Knit the Chart then tries to detect the chart automatically. It works out the edges of the chart and fills in the number of stitches and rounds ready to go. Always check that the detection is correct. If the detection is green, we're almost certain the chart was detected correctly. If you see an orange frame, check the edges and the numbers extra carefully. With a yellow frame, we ask you to check the chart carefully yourself and fill in the stitches and rounds by hand. You can always adjust the edges and change the numbers whenever you need to. Happy with the result? Tap Done to continue. Some charts have a section that repeats several times in a row. Note that this is a repeat within the chart. In that case, you can add a repeat. Set which row the repeat starts at and which row it runs to. Then enter how many times it should repeat. Then you knit the repeat until a certain length is reached. You can also choose an endless repeat. Tap Done to save the repeat. Some patterns use horizontal repeats, for example, a sock of 64 stitches with a chart of 8 stitches. You'd then repeat the chart horizontally 8 times to reach 64 stitches. It can be handy to follow one large chart instead of repeating the 8 stitches each time. Enter the number of horizontal repeats. The original chart is replaced by a new, combined chart. If you'd rather keep the chart as a separate one, you can skip this step. Later, in the knitting order, you can also set how often a chart repeats horizontally. And if you're happy with the result, tap Done to continue. OK, your chart is now ready to be added to the project. You can give the chart a name so you can find it easily later. A name isn't required. If you leave the field empty, Knit the Chart adds a name automatically. Tap Add Chart to Project to continue. On the Edit Chain screen, you choose which charts are part of this project. At the top, you'll see the chart we just selected. If you want to add more charts, tap Add Chart again. Drag the chart you want to use to the knitting order at the bottom of the screen. If you tap the chart, you get the Add option. Tap it, and the chart is added to the knitting order too. The chart that sits most upright is knitted first. Happy with the order? Tap donné. Give your project a name and save it. Your project now appears on the Knit the Chart homepage. Tap the project to start knitting. The active round is highlighted automatically, so you can see exactly where you left off. The plus button takes you to the next round. The minus button takes you back one round. Knit the Chart saves your progress automatically, so you can easily pick up right where you left off.